Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make a baby face new trend on TikTok, and I'm gonna show you how you can make one by using the templates on CapCut. So here the video will go like this. So here is what will the video will look like. It will go like this, and if you want to make one you can just go to CapCut and find it on templates. So here open CapCut and then click on templates, and here go to the search column and just type in this keyword. You can just baby face 10 TikTok. So this one's right here, click on that, and here you'll find there are so many templates for this trend, but I'm going to just use this second one here. Just click on the template and click on use template, and you just need to use one photo for this trend. So for example, I want to use this photo and just click on next, and after that your video will be created easily, and you can just click on export and update it on your TikTok. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.